Hi, welcome to my new video, and this video is on how to repair the steamer. This is a steamer and it wasn't working, so I decided to open it. First of all, we have to check this wire or these two terminals. In electricity, there are always two terminals. One is positive, it is also called phase, which carries the current, and other one is negative or neutral, which doesn't carry the current. So we have to check these two terminals. So with the help of this tester, so this is showing that there is current and the negative one doesn't. So this circuit is okay. So now the next thing that attached to these terminals are the heating elements. So as you can see that these are well cleaned heating elements because that was done by me. Because the main issue that this steamer wasn't heating the water was that there was too much scaling on these heating elements. So scaling on these heating elements was working as a resistance to the current. So first, when I open this, I check with the tester and it was showing too much low current. So I just clean these heating elements. So now this steamer is working properly, working good, and it is good enough to use. So this was the video on how to repair the steamer, and this is a basically very simple circuit, as you can see. So thank you for watching my video.